Social media content is about keeping it real, and really this is my backyard. I'm out here today for one reason. I need to fill up my bird feeder, but there's a problem. Let me show you. That's my bird feeder, and anybody who follows my story or my posts knows that I had a little bit of a problem, not with the birds, but with the squirrels. I didn't know that squirrels had a liking for bird feeder. So what I'm going to do today is try to make my bird feeder a little more squirrel proof, which I understand through the DMs and messages from my Instagram friends it's pretty difficult, but I'm going to give it a go. So let's get started in this backyard project. I'm bringing you all along to see if I can make that a little more bird friendly and less squirrel friendly. Let's go.
The bulk of your content because you're going to be very reciprocity. So, to connect.
So there it is, my first attempt at squirrel proofing my bird feeder. Something tells me that I'm going to need a bigger bowl. I don't know. I'm going to try it out for a couple of weeks and I'll let you know how it goes. But for now, mission accomplished, maybe.